Stop normalizing OnlyFans. It's not empowering, it's exploitation. Let's stop pretending that selling explicit content online is just another hustle. It's not. OnlyFans isn't private. The whole world sees it. Your so-called fans are screen recording, reposting, and passing around your most intimate acts like cheap entertainment. And once it's out there forever. Ladies, when you start selling your personal videos for money, you're not just exposing your body, you're slowly lowering your standards. You are slowly training yourself to believe that your worth is tied to what you can show, not what you can do. That's not power, that's control. The minute a man can throw money at you and dictate what you do with your body, you are no longer in control. He is. That's not freedom. That's financial manipulation wrapped in false empowerment. Let's be real. There are other ways to make an honest income without sacrificing your dignity or future. Don't sell yourself short for quick money or online attention. We are raising a generation that is confusing validation with value. And the truth is, when the money dries up and the cameras are off, the internet never forgets. You deserve better than being a product. Your body isn't a business. Respect yourself like your future depends on it, because it does.